Hello guys, welcome to Ersbit. In this video we are replacing the battery on the Samsung S21 Ultra. This video applies to all Samsung smartphones including the S21 and the S20. The first step that we need to address is removing the back cover of the device. Check the link into the description if you want the full video for the back cover replacement. The only glass on the back of the S21 Ultra and all other S20 line of phone is only the outer lens of the cameras. That means that you're not going to the repair shop as frequently as if you had a Samsung S20 or a Samsung S20 Plus. So subscribe so that you do not miss my camera lens replacement video on the S21 Ultra. Removing the back cover of the S21 Ultra itself is not hard. It is really easy. So fast forward, here I removed all the components on this device. If you need to replace the battery of your device, you do not have to remove all the components. There is two ways to remove the battery on the Samsung device. You can use heat like I did in this video, or you can use some kind of solvent to soften the glue on the back of the battery so that you can remove it. Insert the tip of your metal tool on one side of the battery. Since it's hot, you need to have some gloves and apply a little bit of pressure upward, and the battery is going to start moving slowly. You can use a hot plate like I did in this video, or you can use a heat gun, or even you can use a hair dryer to remove the battery on your Samsung smartphones. I set up the hot plate to be at 80 degrees. That's enough heat to go through the screen and start to soften the glue on the back of the battery. You need to apply just a little bit of pressure. You don't have to apply a lot of force. So one quick question. Tell me in the comment box if Samsung should continue to apply so much glue on the back of their battery. This method of removing the battery is recommended if you need to replace your screen, because the glue on the back of the battery is going to stay sticky and you're not going to use any new glue when installing the battery on your new screen. And if you do not feel the battery is moving, add some heat to the screen of your device. If you decide to go with a solvent, make sure that you take out the battery really fast and clean the excess liquid. If the solvent is really strong, it is going to attack the glue that attach the frame and the screen of the device. The solvent might not reach the screen itself, but it is in direct contact with the digitizer. And if your digitizer is bad, you're not going to feel any touch on the device, and you're going to replace your screen. I prefer to use heat because it is straightforward and the risk to damage other components is minimal. If you like these repair videos, subscribe to our channel. So just like that, we have removed the battery on the Samsung S21 Ultra. To install the battery, it is really simple. You just need to install the battery like you removed it. The space for the battery is really tight and there is not a lot of room to mess it up. In this video right now, this is not the right way to insert back or install a back cover on a Samsung device, because I have not cleaned the back cover of the device nor added a new tape. Clean the edges of the phone, prepare the back glass and the frame of the device for the new glue. You need to remove the old tape and add a new tape to the back cover, so that when you close the back of the device, it is going to firmly stick and it is not going to detach itself in a few weeks. Check the link into the description for the replacement of the back cover of the Samsung S21 Ultra. Tell me in the comment box, what do you prefer? A back cover made out of plastic or a back cover made out of glass? Let me know in the comment box.